Hello friends, welcome to Drona classes. Today I am going to teach determinants. In determinants, firstly I would teach minor and then cofactor, and after that I'll tell you how to find determinant of a matrix. So let's say this is the matrix. Okay, so this is a matrix which is having elements as 1, minus 3, 2, 4, minus 1, 2, 3, 5 and 2. And this is how we write determinant. So this is the symbol of determinant. Now, how to find minor and cofactor of a determinant? So firstly, as we have already studied matrices, so we know what do we mean by row and what do we mean by column. Now let's say we are talking about this element, so we can very well figure out कि this is the second row and third column element. So this position can be said to be second row and third column. In similar way, this whole matrix is having the order of 3 cross 3. Now, how to find minor? Now, let's say I need to find minor for this position. So, this position is 1, 1. Now, the process is for finding minor 1, 1. The process is I would be actually not looking through this column and this row, because this is the element we are talking about and we are supposed to find the minor at this position. So this position is 1, 1. So just draw a vertical line like this and just draw a horizontal line like this and just hide those lines. So if I am basically keeping the pen in this vertical line and this horizontal line, so I will be left with these 4 elements. So I can very well write the left out elements are minus 1, then 2, then 5 and then 2. Now how to find the minor? So what we can do is we can just cross multiply. So minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 and 2 into 5 is 10. I can just subtract and this would give me the minor value at this position 1, 1. So we can write this as minus 1, 2. Got my point? So in similar way, if I need to find minor at some different place, let's say I need to find the minor at this position. So what is this position firstly? So this is 1, 2, 3, the third row and second column. So basically I want to find the minor M32 again. In similar fashion, what I can do is I would be keeping the pen now in this position and in this position. See, this is the element, this is the position we are looking for, 3, 2. So I will be putting the pen in the third row and in the second column, and I will be looking with the left out elements. So what are the left out elements? If I am putting or I am placing a pen in these 2 lines, so I will be left out with 1, then 4, then 2, then 2. So again the minor value for this would be, cross multiply this, so this would be 2, this would be 8 and put a minus sign, so this value would be minus 6. So in this way we can find the minor for the entire matrix. We can find the minor for this one, so this would be M31, this one M33, and the similar way we can find the minor for every element. Now let us see how to find the cofactor value. Is that okay? Okay. Now we are supposed to find the cofactor at different position values. So before that, I just now discussed how to find the minor. So I have written all the minor values of this matrix. Let's say the minor value M11 is having the value as -1 to 12, minor 22 is -4, minor 32 is -6. So you can find all these values. I have just solved 2. You can find all the other values and you can check your answers. The answer would be these values only. Now let us think of how to find cofactor. So cofactor, once we have already found the minor, cofactor is slightly easier because we have this formula Cij equal to -1 to the power I plus j minor ij. So this is the formula. So based on this formula, if I am, let's say I want to find the minor C at this position, cofactor at this position, so it would be C11. So this position is C11. So basically what I'll write is -1 whole to the power I plus j. So I value is 1, j value is also 1, so I plus j, it would be 1 plus 1, and we have minor 1. So -1 raised to the power 2, -1 to the power even is +1, and M11 is -12. So the cofactor value at this position is -12. So this is how I find cofactor. Now let's say I want to find the cofactor at this position, C23. C23 would be equal to, according to this formula, -1 raised to the power 2 plus 3 minor 2 3. So -1 raised to the power 5. 5 is odd number. -1 raised to the power odd is always minus. Okay, and minor 2 3, if I can check, the minor 2 3 value is 14. So C23 value is 14. So in similar fashion you can find all the values. It would be C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32 and C33. I have already found C11, that would be equal to -12. C23 is -14. So just find out all the other cofactor values. So I'll be coming up with the solution. I'm giving you some time for this. So as you can see, I have written all the cofactor value of this matrix. So these are the set of minor values and these are the set of cofactor value. Remember, now we have discussed minor and cofactor. Cofactor, the formula is Cij equal to -1 raised to the power I plus j minor ij, and these are the set of values. So you just find it by yourself and you can refer any of the standard books, R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal. There are a lot of problems. You can solve few of the problems where you are supposed to find minor as well as cofactor. Now we will start with how to find the determinant of any matrix. Is that okay?